Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Journal Entry Data Loader for QAD Enterprise Edition, or EE. This data loader is designed to make managing the general ledger much easier and financial period and closing tasks much quicker. The Journal Entry Data Loader for QAD EE supports nearly all of the functionality of the QAD EE journal entry process, including cross-company and reverse transactions and SAF codes. 32Soft's Journal Entry Data Loader allows users to submit new and browse existing journal entry transactions in QAD Enterprise Edition. Let's take a look. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the data loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. Because data loaders utilize standard Excel spreadsheets, we have all of Excel's functionality available. Accounting departments usually need to key into QAD a number of journal entry transactions at the end of each month or year. The transactions could be accruals, payroll, marketing expenses, commissions. Of course, the number and size of these transactions vary from business to business and could be just a few lines or a few hundred lines. To begin, we need to click Setup to select the database we'll be connecting to. If the transactions we need to create in QAD are prepared in another Excel file, we can simply copy those transactions and paste them into the data loader. Before sending the information to QAD, we need to fill in the header fields with proper data as we see here: the company code, year, period, daybook code, and we can enter a short description just as we can in QAD. Once we enter or paste our transactions, we click Create Standard Journal Entry. When we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Journal Entry Data Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. Let's log in. If user authentication is successful, the loader will run data validation. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if our upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. And as we see, it does. When we encounter errors, we close the status window and correct all errors before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. This line does not require an SAF code, so let's delete it and try our upload again. This time, the status window shows our upload is successful. And we see the voucher number is displayed in the last column on the right. In addition to the Create tab we just used to upload transactions into QAD, we have a View tab as well. We can use the View tab to download transactions from QAD and verify that our new transactions have been uploaded correctly. Here are the transactions we just created. If we need to create similar transactions each month, we can download them from QAD into the View tab. Then we can simply copy and paste transaction details into the Create tab. Once we have made required changes, we can then upload the new transactions into QAD with a single click. Let's return to the Create tab. In addition to standard journal entry transactions, this data loader allows us to create reverse transactions. Logic for creating reverse transactions is the same as for standard GL transactions, but we need to select Create Reverse Journal Entry instead. First, though, we must specify the reversal posting date, which should be a date in the future. Also, as we could see a moment ago, this data loader allows us to create cross-company transactions. We can specify the different entities in the first column, and during the upload, the balancing transactions will be created automatically on the cross-company control account. Here we see a balancing transaction that was created automatically. This data loader allows us to manage the SAF codes as well, conveniently in Excel. We enter the SAF concept codes right into the header line. We can enter the SAF codes on the transaction lines under the corresponding SAF concept code. The loader allows up to 5 concept codes. As demonstrated, Journal Entry Data Loader is secure and easy to use. It will make managing the general ledger much easier, and it will accelerate financial period-end closing tasks. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your complimentary 60-day trial, visit our website, give us a call, or email us at contact@32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.